Anim Boozhoo band members, today is Friday, June 24th. It's been a pretty busy week for me this week, and I attempted to record a video yesterday, but there was so much background noise that it just caused it difficult to show the video. So I said, let's just cancel that and let's start over on Friday. So I will start with the number of positive cases for each district. In District 1 and District 2A, we are now at 351. That is 3 new cases. District 2, 64, no new cases. District 3, 88, no new cases. And as a reminder, that the Neoshin Clinic has medical appointments and they are opened on most days. So if you need to set an appointment, 320-532-4163, option 2. 532-4163, option 2. And you can also use this number if you need to set up an appointment for COVID-19 vaccinations and or boosters for yourself or your family. There are a couple of swearing-ins that are scheduled. The first one will be July 11th, and that is for Sheldon Boyd to be sworn in to sit as a tribal executive committee member for the Minnesota Chippewa tribe, and that is happening at 3 p.m. on June 11th. And the site will be Grand Portage. So if you're interested in being part in viewing the swearing in for all of the new elected secretary treasurers for the 6 bands, please zoom in for that. For the Mille band newly elected officials, our swearing in will take place Tuesday, July 12th at 10 a.m. And the first swearing in will be for our newly re-elected Secretary Treasurer, Sheldon Boyd. We have a new District 2 representative, and that is Wendy Mille. And District 3, we have a new representative, is Harry Davis. Harry has served in that capacity previously. And we also have Neoshin School Board member Joe Naquanavi Sr., and he was re-elected. Again, I look forward to the swearing in. I want to say congratulations to all our new elected officials, and come over to the casino, Grand Casino Mille, to witness the swearing in and have lunch afterwards. The HAWK Crosswalk on Highway 169 by Grand Casino was installed in 2020. When the Minnesota Department of Transportation completed a road survey finding that an average of 136 pedestrians are crossing the highway on a daily basis, and an average of over 11,000 estimated vehicles pass through the same stretch of highway on any given day. So please be careful when you have to cross 169. And if you use the crosswalk, and I hope you do, please push the button to cross safely. On June 22nd at Hinckley, I attended the Hinckley Solar commissioning ceremony. The 3 megawatt project broke ground last fall, and if you drive from the casino over to the golf course, you will pass it. And that was pretty impressive to see all of those solar panels. And this was done through a partnership with Next Era Energy Resources and East Central Energy. This will impact the Mille band and Hinckley communities by reducing the region's carbon footprint. Some very good news this week is that our president, Joe Biden, has appointed Chief Lynn Malerba of the Mohican Nation, and he has appointed her as Treasurer of the United States. The Treasurer oversees the U.S. Mint, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, and Fort Knox. Currently, there is about $270 billion worth of gold at Fort Knox. She will also serve as the liaison to the Federal Reserve and oversee the new Office of Tribal and Native Affairs. I was so excited because Lynn Mille is an exceptional woman. She has great vision. She's smart, she's compassionate, and she knows so much about Indian affairs. We congratulate and thank President Biden for this extraordinary selection, and the whole nation will benefit. When we think about the dollar bills, her name will be now on those $20 bills, so that's exciting. So I just want to also say miigwech to the Native American Financials Officers Association, or NAFOA. We have been talking with the administration and the Department of Treasury for many, many years, educating them and requesting that they do create a new Office of Tribal and Native Affairs. And that is happening. So that is a great moment for Indian country and our country as a whole. The next step, though, is that we need to get legislation to make sure that the Office of Tribal and Native Affairs in Treasury is an ongoing department. And so there has to be legislation. And so now we have to work with our congressional people to make sure that this is a permanent department within Treasury. Governor Walz, Lieutenant Governor Flanagan, and the House Speaker, Melissa Hortman, have announced their plan to return half of the state's surplus back to Minnesotans in direct checks. Yay! Single tax filers earning up to $164,000 will receive a payment of $1,000. And a married couple earning up to $470,000 will receive a payment of $2,000. We don't know yet when the checks will be mailed, but as they always say, the check will be in the mail. Attended the National Congress of American Indians last week, and a very helpful conference in terms of having the opportunity to speak with officials from the federal government. It's always worthwhile. Also, last weekend, we had our powwow in Hinckley, and that was extremely impressive with all of the dancers and singers and visitors that came. I had talked to a member of the powwow committee, and they had estimated that they would get about 300 dancers. And I was told that they ran out of registrations just after an hour. So people were excited about coming back to the powwow, and I was excited as well. I had the opportunity to do the welcome address, and one of my favorite MCs, Wallace Coffey from Oklahoma, was there, so it was good to see him. He always makes the powwow fun. I also had the opportunity to do an interview on Sunday with one of the financial organizations. It's called RES, and we talked about what is happening at Mille. Yesterday as well, I did a welcome for the same organization. So we had the opportunity to present opportunities for small business owners. And if you are looking to start a business, please join up for the next cohort of the Initiative Foundation and Corporate Ventures to learn a little bit, and then we can look at other opportunities for funding. With that, I'd like to say good day, and I will talk to you soon.